Welcome friends. In this session we discuss Markov chain. First of all, stochastic process. Families of random variables which are indexed by an indexing set are known as stochastic process. For example, 1. Consider a die tossing experiment and let xn denote the outcome of nth throw. Now, xn for n greater than or equal to 1 is a family of random variables such that for distinct values of n, one get distinct random variables xn. The indexing set is the possible values of n, which is the set containing points 1, 2, etc. Then xn for n greater than or equal to 1 constitutes a stochastic process. 2. At a junction in a highway, let 60% of the vehicles turn left. Let xn equal to 1 or 0 according as the nth vehicle turns left or right. The set of Bernoulli random variables xn for n greater than or equal to 1 form a stochastic process with the indexing set, the set containing points 1, 2, etc. 3. Let xn denote the amount of rain in centimeters received on nth day of a rainy season. Then the set xn for n greater than or equal to 1 is a stochastic process. 4. Let x of t denote the number of telephone calls received at a phone in a time interval 0 t. Now, x t for t belongs to 0 infinity is a stochastic process with a continuous indexing set 0 infinity. The set of possible values of an individual random variable xn or x of t of a stochastic process is known as its state space. The state space is called discrete if it contains finite or countable, otherwise it is said to be continuous. Example 1, 2 and 4 contains random variables with discrete state space, and in 3 the state space is continuous. The indexing set of a stochastic process is known as its parameter space. In example 1, 2 and 3, the parameter spaces are discrete, which is the set containing points 1, 2, etc. But in 4, it is a continuous set 0 infinity. Markov chain. Consider a coin tossing experiment and let Sn equal to j denote the total number of heads appeared until the nth toss. Here Sn for n greater than or equal to 1 is a stochastic process with a discrete parameter space. Now Sn plus 1 equal to j plus 1 or Sn plus 1 equal to j according as the n plus 1th trial is a head or not. Assume the probability of head is p and that of tail is q. The value of Sn plus 1 depending only upon the value of Sn, that is probability of Sn plus 1 equal to j plus 1 given Sn equal to j equal to p, and probability of Sn plus 1 equal to j given Sn equal to j equal to q. In the above stochastic process, the value of the n plus 1th variable Sn plus 1 depends only upon the value of the variable just prior to Sn plus 1, that is Sn, not on the values of Sn minus 1, Sn minus 2, etc. Sn. Or in other words, probability of Sn plus 1 equal to j plus 1 given Sn equal to j, comma Sn minus 1 equal to k, comma Sn minus 2 equal to L, etc. S1 equal to p, that is equal to p of Sn plus 1 equal to j plus 1 given Sn equal to j, that is equal to p. Such a stochastic process with a discrete parameter space is known as a Markov chain. Markov property is future is depending only upon the present, not upon the past. Let xn equal to k be a stochastic process with a discrete parameter space the set containing the points n equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. Assume the state space of Xn be the set containing the points j equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. When Xn equal to k, we are saying that at the nth trial, the stochastic process is in the kth state. The stochastic process Xn for n equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. is called a Markov chain if for j, k, j1, j2, etc. jn minus 1 belongs to n. Probability of Xn equal to k given Xn minus 1 equal to j, Xn minus 2 equal to j1, etc. x0 equal to jn minus 1, that is equal to probability of Xn equal to k given Xn minus 1 equal to j, that is equal to pjk, say like that. Here pjk is called the transition probability of the Markov chain from the state j at n minus 1th trial to state k at the nth trial. Since the transition happens by n minus 1th trial moves to nth trial, the transitioning probability pjk is known as one step transition probability. Consider the transition probability is independent of the number of trial n. The Markov chain is said to be homogeneous or Markov chain with stationary transition probabilities, and if it is depending upon n, the Markov chain is non-homogeneous. We are concentrating on homogeneous Markov chains. Then we just say the one step transition probability of the Markov chain from the state k to state j is pjk. Since the transition probabilities to the state j depending upon the preceding state, it is conditional probability. For a Markov chain, the transition probabilities from one state to another or remain in the same state by any two successive trials can be represented by a matrix which is known as the transition probability matrix or state transition matrix of the Markov chain under consideration. For a Markov chain, probability of x0 equal to a, x1 equal to b, etc. xn minus 2 equal to I, xn minus 1 equal to j, xn equal to k can be expressed using the transition probabilities as follows. Probability of x0 equal to a, x1 equal to b, etc. xn minus 2 equal to I, xn minus 1 equal to j, xn equal to k, that is equal to p of xn equal to k given xn minus 1 equal to j, xn minus 2 equal to I, etc. x1 equal to b, x0 equal to a into probability of xn minus 1 equal to j, xn minus 2 equal to I, etc. x1 equal to b, x0 equal to a. Since we are considering a Markov chain, probability of xn equal to k given xn minus 1 equal to j, xn minus 2 equal to I, etc. x1 equal to b, x0 equal to a, that is equal to p of xn equal to k given x minus 1 equal to j, that is equal to pjk, which is the transition probability for jth state to kth state in a single step. Hence, p of x0 equal to a, x1 equal to b, etc. xn minus 2 equal to I, xn minus 1 equal to j, xn equal to k, that is equal to pjk into p of xn minus 1 equal to j, xn minus 2 equal to I, etc. x1 equal to b, x0 equal to a. That is equal to pjk into p of xn minus 1 equal to j given xn minus 2 equal to I, etc. x1 equal to b, x0 equal to a into p of xn minus 2 equal to I, etc. x1 equal to b, x0 equal to a. As above, p of xn minus 1 equal to j given xn minus 2 equal to I, etc. x1 equal to b, x0 equal to a, that is equal to p of xn minus 1 equal to j given xn minus 2 equal to I, that is equal to pij. Then p of x0 equal to a, x1 equal to b, etc. xn minus 2 equal to I, xn minus 1 equal to j, xn equal to k, that is equal to pjk into pij into p of xn minus 2 equal to I, etc. x1 equal to b, x0 equal to a. Proceeding like this, we get P of x0 equal to A, x1 equal to B, etc. xn minus 2 equal to I, xn minus 1 equal to J, xn equal to K, that is equal to Pjk into Pij into Phi into etc. into P of x0 equal to A, where P of x0 equal to A is the probability of the initial state of the Markov chain is A. In the same way, we can prove P of xr equal to A, xr plus 1 equal to B, etc. xr plus n minus 2 equal to I, xr plus n minus 1 equal to J, xr plus n equal to K, that is equal to Pjk into Pij into Phi into etc. into P of xr equal to A. Since all transition probabilities from any state to any other state of a Markov chain in single step is given in transition probability matrix, or more clearly in one step TPM, the transition probability matrix and the initial probabilities of various states of the Markov chain completely specifies the Markov chain. Consider a Markov chain with k states 1, 2, etc. k. Such a Markov chain with a finite number of states is called a finite state Markov chain. The TPM of such a Markov chain is as follows. The matrix with entries P11, P12, etc. P1k, P21, P22, etc. P2k, etc. The last row Pk1, Pk2, etc. Pkk, which is a square matrix of order k by k. The diagram describing the transition probability matrix of a Markov chain is known as transition diagram, probability vector and stochastic matrix. A vector P1, P2, etc. Pn is called a probability vector if P1, P2, etc. Pn are non-negative such that P1 plus P2 plus etc. plus Pn equal to 1. A stochastic matrix is a square matrix P with all rows are probability vectors. The transition probability matrix of a finite homogeneous Markov chain is a stochastic matrix. N step transition probabilities. The probability of a system to be in the jth state starting from the ith state after n different transitions over n different time periods is denoted by Pijn and is defined as the n step transition probability of the Markov chain from ith state to jth state. Obviously, Pij1 equal to Pij. We denote Pjk as the one step transition probability for the state j to the state k in a single trial. The two step transition probability is the probability of transition from state j to state k in two trials. It is denoted by Pjk2. Then Pjk2 equal to probability of xn plus 2 equal to k given xn equal to j. Before reaching the state k in second step, let R be the state of the Markov chain starting from the state j. Then Pjk2 equal to probability of xn plus 2 equal to k, xn plus 1 equal to R given xn equal to j. That is equal to P of xn plus 2 equal to k given xn plus 1 equal to R, xn equal to j into P of xn plus 1 equal to R given xn equal to j. That is equal to P of xn plus 2 equal to k given xn plus 1 equal to R into P of xn plus 1 equal to R given xn equal to j. That is equal to Prk into Pjr. This intermediate state R can be one of the states 1, 2, 3 etc. Hence, Pjk2 equal to summation over R Pjr into Prk. When P is the one step transition probability matrix of the Markov chain, the two step probabilities Pjk2 are the entries in the TPM P square for various states. Like this, the m step transition probabilities of the Markov chain with the TPM P are the entries of the matrix P raised to m. Similarly, m plus n step transition probabilities is expressed as Pjk m plus n, and we can represent it as summation over R Pjr n into PRKM. That is the transition from state J to R in n steps and then from the state R to K in m steps, where R can be any of the possible states of the Markov chain. The equation for m plus n step transition probability P j k m plus n equal to summation over R P j r n into P r k m is the form of Chapman-Kolmogorov equation. Chapman-Kolmogorov theorem. For a Markov chain with one step transition probability matrix P, the n step transition probabilities are the elements of P raised to n. Hence, the values of P j k m plus n for various values of j and k are the entries of the matrix P raised to n into P raised to m or P raised to m into P raised to n. A transition probability matrix is said to be regular if for some positive integer n, all entries of the matrix P raised to n are positive. Classification of states. According to some fundamental characteristics, the states J for j equal to 0, 1, 2 etc. of a Markov chain x n for n greater than or equal to 0 and the Markov chain can be classified to various manner so as to identify certain types of chains. Irreducible Markov chain. The state K is reachable from state J if P j k n greater than 0 for some n greater than or equal to 1. If all the states of a Markov chain are reachable from every other state in any number of transitions, the Markov chain is said to be irreducible. If C is some set of states where no state outside C is reachable from any state of C, C is said to be closed. That is, if the state J belongs to C and K not belongs to C, then P j k n equal to 0 for all n greater than or equal to 1. From the states outside C, the states of C are reachable, but the reverse is not possible. If C contains only one state, the state is called an absorbing state. Obviously, the set of all states of a Markov chain is closed. If there is a subset of set of all states of a Markov chain which is closed, then the Markov chain cannot be irreducible. Markov chains which are not irreducible are called a reducible or decomposable Markov chains. Consider f j k n, that is equal to probability that the system reaches the state K from the state J after n transitions for the first time. P j k n equal to probability that the system reaches the state K from the state J after n transitions, not necessary for the first time. Now, we can represent P j k n equal to summation over R from 0 to n f j k r into P k k n minus r for n greater than or equal to 1, where P k k 0 equal to 1, f j k 0 equal to 0, f j k 1 equal to P j k. Capital F j k equal to probability that the system will ever reach the state K starting from the state J. Then capital F j k equal to summation over n from 1 to infinity f j k n. The mean first passage time from the state J to the state K is given by mu j k, that is equal to summation n from 1 to infinity n f j k n. Capital F j k equal to 1 means that it is certain that the system from J will reach the state K. F j j n for n equal to 1, 2 etc. represent the distribution of the system to reach its starting state for the first time if it has started from the state J, which is known as the distribution of the recurrence times of the state J. When return to the starting state is certain, capital F j j equal to 1. Persistent state. A state J is said to be persistent if return to that state is certain, that is, if capital Fjj equal to 1. Transient state. If return to the state j is not certain, such a state is called transient state. Here capital Fjj less than 1. Null state. A persistent state j is said to be null if the mean recurrence time for that state mu jj equal to infinity, and j is said to be non-null if mu jj less than infinity. Periodic state. A state j is said to be periodic with period t, where t greater than 1 if return to the state j is possible only at t, 2t, 3t etc. steps, where t is the greatest integer with this property. Here Pjj n equal to 0 if n is not an integer multiple of t. Aperiodic state. A state j is aperiodic if there is no t for t greater than 1 exists as the period of j. That is, for j, if t equal to 1, j is said to be aperiodic. Ergodic state. A persistent, non-null and aperiodic state of a Markov chain is said to be ergodic. If all the states of the Markov chain are ergodic, the Markov chain is called an ergodic Markov chain. Essential state. A state j is called an essential state if it is communicates with any state from which it is accessible. Communicating states. If two states I and j are accessible to each other, are said to be communicate with each other. Regular Markov chain. A Markov chain with a regular transition probability matrix is a regular Markov chain. All regular Markov chains are ergodic chains. Theorems. 1. The state j is persistent or transient according as summation over r from 0 to n Pjj n equal to infinity or less than infinity. 2. If the state j is persistent, then as n tend to infinity, Pjj nt tends to t divided by mu. 3. If state k is either transient or persistent null, then for every j, Pjk n tend to 0 as n tend to infinity. 4. In an irreducible chain, all the states are of the same type. They are either all transient, all persistent null or all persistent non-null. All the states are aperiodic or periodic, and in the later case they all have the same period. Problem. Show that the Markov chain having 3 states with the following one step transition probability matrix P containing the rows 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0 is an ergodic chain. Solution. Here P square, that is equal to P into P, is the matrix with rows 0, 0, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. P cube, that is equal to P square into P, that is the matrix with rows 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. This gives P 0, 0, 3 equal to 1 by 2, P 0, 1, 3 equal to 1 by 2, P 0, 2, 2 equal to 1, P 1, 0, 2 equal to 1 by 2, P 1, 1, 2 equal to 1 by 2, P 1, 2, 3 equal to 1 by 2, P 2, 0, 3 equal to 1 by 4, P 2, 1, 3 equal to 1 by 4, P 2, 2, 3 equal to 1 by 2. That is Pij n greater than 0 for all I and j equal to 0, 1, 2 and for some n. Hence, the Markov chain is irreducible with finite states 0, 1 and 2. When we are finding the higher transition probability matrices, we get P raised to 4 equal to P cube into P, which is the matrix with rows 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, and p raised to 5, that is equal to p raised to 4 into p, that is the matrix with rows 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 3 by 8 and 3 by 8, etc. Let us consider the state 1. Here p 112 equal to 1 by 2, p 113 equal to 1 by 2, p 114 equal to 1 by 4, p 115 equal to 1 by 2, etc. That is second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. step transition probabilities from state 1 to 1 are non-zero. GCD of 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. is 1. Hence, the state 1 is a state with period 1 or the state 1 is aperiodic. Recall that in an irreducible Markov chain, all the states are of the same type. Hence, the states 0 and 2 are also aperiodic. Since the chain is finite, irreducible, the states 0, 1 and 2 must be persistent non-null. Then all the states are ergodic and the chain is an ergodic chain. Note, from p raised to 5 we get pij 5 greater than 0 for all I and j. That is, the transition probability matrix is regular and hence the chain is an ergodic chain. Steady state or stability conditions of a Markov chain. Consider a Markov chain with one step transition probability Pij. After a large number of transitions, regardless of the initial state, the Markov chain may reach a steady or stable state. That is, no further changes would occur in the state probabilities in the succeeding transitions. In other words, after a Markov chain has been in transition for a large number of times, a given state can be reached with a fixed probability. This fixed probabilities of attaining each of the state of the Markov chain after a large number of transitions is the steady state probabilities or long run probabilities. That is limit n tend to infinity p n, that is represented by pi, where pi equal to p 1, p 2, etc. p n is the probability vector of steady state probabilities for the states 1, 2, etc. n of the Markov chain. Theorem: if P is the transition probability matrix of a regular Markov chain and pi is the steady state probability vector, then pi into P equal to pi. The steady state probabilities of a Markov chain can be found using this theorem. Problem: obtain the steady state probabilities of the states A and B of a Markov chain with TPM, the matrix with rows 0.9, 0.1, 0.5, 0.5. Solution: let the steady state probabilities of the states A and B is A, B. A, B can be obtained by solving the equation A, B into the matrix 0.9, 0.1, 0.5, 0.5, that is equal to A, B. That is 0.9 into A plus 0.5 into B, 0.1 into A plus 0.5 into B equal to A, B. This implies 0.9 A plus 0.5 B equal to A and 0.1 A plus 0.5 B equal to B. Solving these equations, we get A, B equal to 5 by 6, 1 by 6. Now, let us summarize the session. An introduction to stochastic process is made in this module. Markov chain is discussed in detail. Classification of the states of the Markov chain is explained. The steady state probability of a Markov chain is also discussed. Problems are solved for an illustration. Before concluding the session, try to answer the following questions. 1. Obtain the steady state probabilities for the Markov chain with the transition probability matrix, which is the matrix with rows 0.90, 0.05, 0.05, 0.05, 0.85, 0.10, 0.10, 0.07, 0.83. 2. Prove that the Markov chain with the following transition probability matrix is irreducible. P is the matrix with the rows 3 by 10, 7 by 10, 0, 1 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 0, 2 by 10, 8 by 10. 3. Verify whether the Markov chain with TPM P, which is the matrix with rows 0, 1, 0, 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 0, 1, 0 is an ergodic chain. The books for your reference are Introduction to Probability Models by S.M. Rose, Academic Press 1997. A First Course in Probability by T.K. Chandra, D. Chatterjee, Narosa 2003. Stochastic Process by J. Madhi, Wiley 1991. Probability and Statistics for Engineers by R. A. Johnson, PHI 2005. Hope you enjoyed this session. See you next time. Until then, goodbye.